Let's do some a little bit of kangkong harvest, guys. I'm gonna make some frozen mussels, and then I'm gonna put this in there when I cook it. I need some gulay. So we have a little bit here now I can use. So let's get some. Pag may tanim, may aanihin, di ba? Oh. Pwede na ito pang halo sa aton mussels. Kailangan ko lang ng kaunti. Kailangan ko mag-weed din dito sa labas kay ang init ngayon. Oh my god. Ayan. Tomorrow is gonna be like 97 degrees, so it's gonna be even more hotter. Okay, this is it. This is it for now. That's all I need for now. Better leave that for another time. And I still have kangkong right there, growing. Right here. So everything is growing pretty good, I think. But it being so hot, I don't know. Hopefully everything survives. My string beans are doing good. Pera usog. Ang aking okra, well, not doing good. Some of them are not doing well, but some are. So we'll see. Okay guys, that's it for now. Here is ang ating kaunting harvest na kangkong. Ilalagay na, ihahalo natin sa mussels that I'm going to cook. Okay. That's water spinach, kangkong in Philippines. We have fresh vegetables, diba? Alright, thank you. Magtanim lang tayo para makalibre tayo ng gulay. Bye guys!